Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve a differential calculus problem that uses product rule. So the problem is y is equal to the square root of x times the quantity x plus 1. So we can rewrite the problem as y is equal to x raised to 1 half times the quantity x plus 1. Then let's derive y prime is equal to, let's copy the first term, which is x raised to 1 half. Then derive the second term. If we derive x plus 1, that is equal to 1. Plus, let's copy the second term, x plus 1. Then let's derive the first term using the power rule. So let's bring down the exponent, copy the term, which is x. Then let's subtract 1 from the exponent. 1 half minus 1, that is equal to negative 1 half. Or we can rewrite this as 1 over x raised to 1 half, since it is negative. So let's simplify things here. We can rewrite x raised to 1 half as square root of x here. Plus, let's copy x plus 1 all over 2, and we can also rewrite this as square root of x. So let's simplify things further. So the LCD is 2 square root of x. So there's an imaginary 1 here. 2 square root of x divided by 1, that is still 2 square root of x. And if we multiply it to square root of x, we'll get 2x. So 2a square root of x times square root of x, that is equal to 2x raised to 1 half times x raised to 1 half. Or let's add their exponent, which is equal to 1. Plus 2 square root of x divided by 2 square root of x, that is 1. 1 times x plus 1, that is x plus 1. Then we can combine 2x plus x here, that is equal to 3x. Then let's copy the plus 1 all over 2 square root of x. So since we can further simplify this is the final answer for the problem. I hope you guys learned something for today, and see you again next time.